The only thing that I regret with regard to meeting you very late, it was only in the last week that I came to know about this group and this initiative, sir. So in the last few weeks, we have open mock tests, and we don't get that evaluated. It's very hectic to get those evaluated. So when you said that you will be available for evaluating, especially the essay and ethics paper, the essay I was not that worried about it, but ethics I was worried about because I'm learning it from scratch, and this is my first mains, so I wanted some validation from anyone. So since you are someone who has done it many number of times, and that too with exceptional marks, getting a feedback from you was very change maker for me. In those last few days, you need that assurance. One, you can self assure yourself, that is one thing, but when you get that approval from someone else, so initially when I sent you, you were busy, obviously you are getting 200 to 300 copies. I never thought that my paper would be evaluated, but then you sent me a message regarding my essay and ethics paper. You evaluated that. I felt very happy because, sir, earlier, as we mentioned, there is a FOMO that you are not getting attached to the other academies. So when someone that you associate not from your state but from someone else, so you are someone who is a we can say the king of ethics and all. So that person is evaluating your paper, and obviously I know, so there might be limitations on the comments because the child is going to write that exam the very next day. So I tried to implement that. So the comment that I got was too much underlining. So I tried to limit my underlining. But there is only few things that you can do. But that assurance from you, sir, it was very happening for me. It changed it. I felt that now it's okay, now you just go and write. So someone who has done that a number of times has done that, so that was very helpful. And that is what, even when I continued in the group, I felt very good. The materials that you provided with respect to the essays, I could relate to it a lot because that's the similar way that I used to write too. So I feel that whatever you are doing, sir, it's very great. I enjoy that you have been able to set an example for all of us on living your life in the way that you have decided to, and giving back to the society. That is something that I resonate with a lot. And I hope, sir, you continue this journey a lot. And I hope that you get all the success in your life, sir.
Thank you so much.